Hey guys, this is TJ Dorian. This is my introductory video for EDL 852. Okay, so I am married. My wife's name is Elisa Dorian. My daughter's names are Michelle and Elizabeth. Michelle is the oldest. Lizzie is the youngest. I work out here in KCK at J.C. Harmon High School, where I teach American history, government, and economics, as well as help coach football. In terms of my leadership experience, just kind of throughout my life, taking on different leadership roles as a player, just kind of on the different teams that I've been on. Also, as a coach, taking on that responsibility, you definitely help those young people on your team to develop athletically as well as emotionally, as well as just socially, and kind of guiding them through life as a young person. As a teacher, I think we're all leaders. We all model instruction. We all model behaviors for our students to show them what it's like to be an adult. We take, in loco parentis, we take on that parental role there. At my different schools that I've been at, I've been a department head for the social studies department. Did that for a couple years, and then transferred schools and became a PLC lead, which it's very similar. Just kind of a smaller group, a professional learning committee where we share ideas with one another and just kind of see what's working, see what's not, look at data and things like that. 2 years ago, I started working on the district curriculum team where we were designing and reviewing the pacing guides for our different content classes. American history is the one I started with, then moved on to government and econ. For me, why I want to be in administration is, quite honestly, I think I can do it better. When I see shortcomings in our school due to communication, lack of communication, due to lack of organization, those are things that I believe could be very easily fixed and would make the job easier on the teachers as well as on the students. So that's kind of why I'm getting into it, is to fix the things that I see wrong. Hopefully my ideas work and I'm not just completely out in la-la land where reality doesn't quite exist. But I think a lot of the issues that we are dealing with, at least at my school, are coming from very, very easily fixable things. So that's kind of why I want to get into administration, is to hopefully put my ideas out there. Because quite honestly, I think I have good ideas. And I think I can make an impact and I can make a change on a wider level than just being in the classroom. So hopefully you guys enjoyed my video, and we'll kind of make it through this semester as we go and come out doing well on the other side.